Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a beginner friendly makeup tutorial for you guys. So the first thing I do before I even apply foundation on my skin, which is I'm using the Fenty foundation right now, but before I apply foundation I always moisturize my face, but I didn't show that step just for the sake of time. So I just take my beauty blender and I'm just blending that out. So far I've been really loving this foundation. It really blends out really well and it matches my skin tone really well, and I'm just really excited about this foundation. I got it last month, so I've been using it for about a month now, and I just really like what I'm seeing when I put it on. Now I'm I'm just brushing my brows in place. I'm using this color. I've been using this pencil for a while now and I just really love it. Now I'm going for a natural look for my brows, so I'm just just stroking, not drawing the brows on, but just stroking a little of the product on my brows. And I'm taking this Pro Concealer in the color, I think was Toffee and Espresso, and then I'm just highlighting and cleaning up my brows.
Is it too late? Is it too late to color feelings that have faded? Complicated. I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way?
So now I'm taking this brush and I'm just blending the product with my makeup because I don't want it to look too harsh.
Cause I'm a satellite around you tonight. Nothing's gonna bring me down.
I'm also going to be taking the beauty blender and just further blending it out.
As long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes. It's breaking my heart, it's breaking my heart to see you.
So now I'm taking this eyeshadow primer. I use this just to make my eyes pop. It's another source of an eyeshadow to me because it just really makes my eyes pop. So I'm just patting this product with my fingers. I'm not dragging it, just lightly just patting it on my eyelids. So I'm taking this Alpha Girl. As you can see, it's really dirty because I had it for a long time, but I use that color just to set it as a powder on the eyelids. Now I'm taking my mascara. This mascara is really good. I had it for a while now and it makes my eyes pop. Okay, sis? This is a really good mascara. If you don't have long extension lashes like I do, and if you are someone who doesn't love wearing lashes like me, this mascara really helps because it helps make your eyes pop, and I tend to see mascara does that to my eyes. It makes my eyes pop. Okay, so I'm using this blush, the last color to the right, but I'm using that to blush my cheeks up a little bit. And then I'm also going to be using this e.l.f. highlight. Guys, this highlight, I've been using it for a while. I think I bought it like 5 months ago. But I love this highlight. A little goes a long way, as you guys can see. And I just use my finger to kind of smoothen that out, because I don't want it to look too fake. I just want it to look really natural, like it's my personal skin glowing. I'm gonna also be using this True Brown by Kylie Jenner on the outer of my lips. I just love just applying brown and then also applying a gloss on top of it. I'm using this Fenty Beauty gloss. I am obsessed with this gloss, you guys. I can't get enough of it. A little goes a long way also, but you know, I love to be extra. So I'm just spraying my face with this setting spray, and then I'm done. Okay, so guys, this is the finishing touch. This is the makeup look. It's really basic. So if you're a beginner with makeup, this is gonna really help you. I'm sorry, I keep playing with my hair a lot. I don't even know why. I really did subtle brows, as you can see. I didn't go crazy or try to like define them or kind of like clean them up. I just look a little dirty, you know what I mean? It's really natural. And then of course you have the lip balm, Fenty Beauty. And guys, I'm obsessed with this lip gloss. I love clear shimmering gloss because it just brings out your whole face. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and do all that stuff down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.